Good evening. Bienvenidos. My name is Vivian Deschapelle-Coutin. I'm the chairperson of the Foreign Language Department, and I am also Assistant Principal for Curriculum Instruction and Professional Development. I teach Spanish 4, AP, and Spanish 5 Honors. At Cabrini, we offer 5 years of Spanish, 5 years of French. Levels 1, 2, and 3 are required. Spanish Level 4 is Spanish Language and Culture, AP. Level 5 is an Honors Literature class. French 4 and French 5 are both AP classes. We also offer Latin. We offer Spanish Honor Society as well as French Honor Society. That is for the 4th level students. We have a Spanish-speaking society, and it is a club which meets with the purpose of only speaking Spanish. We also offer a World Languages Club. The Foreign Language Department participates in the Foreign Language Festival competition in the spring, as well as in the National Spanish and French exams. Why take a foreign language? It is difficult to imagine a job, a profession, a career, or a leisure activity in the 21st century which will not be enhanced by the ability to communicate efficiently and sensitively with others. The study of a foreign language helps students to prepare for careers in commerce, international relations, law, science, and the arts. Language study will assure students success living in a future of increasing global interdependence. At Cabrini High School, foreign language is an essential component of a college preparatory curriculum. Muchas gracias por su atención. Good evening.